just in the car at the moment. You probably can gather that yourself. Just about to head off to the Tesla service station in Milton Keynes, or Service Centre, to look at the two areas that were picked up during PDI inspection when we picked the car up on the 28th of September. So if you recall, I'll put the video link up there if you want to go and see that, but it was an area on the bonnet which had a dent in it and a scratch, one of the same thing basically, in the same area, where someone had dropped a tool or something on the bonnet. There's a couple of other little scratches on the bonnet as well, which can be picked up at the same time. And then there was also, out of the B pillar, out of the plastic protecting around by the seat on the driver's side, there was a gouge out of the plastic. There were a couple of other things I spotted. One was down to me, it was my error. I thought the little cards, the key cards, worked on both pillars, the driver's side and the passenger side, but I was informed that they only work on the driver's side. That's the downside of YouTube and watching all of the American YouTubers getting into their car on the left-hand side, which obviously is the passenger side on our side. So I presumed that they worked on that side as well as obviously on the driver's side. Anyway, they don't. So it's one side only, and the other one was a small area of paint, but that's been picked out by the detailer, so that's fine. So yeah, on my way now. Appointment's at 9 o'clock. It is now 7:45, so better get a shufty on. It's got to get to Milton Keynes, and it says it's 40 minutes, but I'm not sure if that takes into account any traffic. So anyway, see you in a bit. Well, I found where the service centre is, so that's good. I'm just parked up in a lay-by waiting for my time slot really, because I'm about half an hour early. Wasn't too sure of the traffic in the morning, so I gave myself a little bit of extra leeway. My appointment's at 9 o'clock. It's now 8:35, so I've got 25 minutes to hang about. And it's just round the corner, so I shall record as we go in and give you the outcome of what happens. I suspect that they'll want to keep the car and do the bonnet, and therefore I get a loan car, but I don't know how long they're going to need it for. I suspect it'll be a couple of days. Anyway, all's well as long as it gets sorted, and then once that's done, once that's fixed, I can then take it back to Paint Shield in Peterborough for them to detail the bonnet and wrap the bonnet with protective film. And then the whole car's done. Hurrah! What a bit of a faff really, but hey ho. So yeah, finally, once all that's done, we'll be able to drive the car properly, because as I mentioned in a previous video, we're a bit tentative to do many miles on it at the moment until the paint's properly protected. So yeah, there you go. Happy days. So see you in a bit. Let's give an update. Be okay. It shouldn't take too long to get there. And off we go.
In 500 feet, your destination will be on the right.
Indeed it is.
Now your destination is on the right.
Well, that was very efficient and straightforward. So I dropped the car off. I was looked after by Carl, very efficient. And he talked me through what they're going to do. We went out to the car and identified the 2 areas where there were problems on the paint, and then also with the B-pillar plastic. They gave me a loaner car, which I'm in now, so I've got a Model S 100D, which is nice. Yeah, it's really nice inside, and sort of very familiar actually, in terms of all the controls and how things work, so that's good. And I'm waiting to hear what's what really in terms of time frames. So they've got the paint specialist coming today to have a look at it, and then they'll decide whether they can do it. Carl was saying that generally stuff on the bonnet they can't fix. I guess it's probably because of the thickness of the bonnet in terms of its thickness. So he said if that's the case, then it goes away to the body shop to be done. I explained about the PPF film on there, and that's all been protected apart from the bonnet. So yeah, we shall see how we get on. All right, I'll give you an update as and when I know any more. But now I'm going to drive home and get some breakfast. Okay, see you in a bit.